Do you know the protein bars that you can find at the supermarket? Well, I stopped buying them. They are expensive, like €3 each, and honestly, it's hard to find one that actually tastes good. And let's be real, if it doesn't satisfy your taste buds, what's the point of spending that much? So I tried brand after brand, but none of them were good enough. So that's when I started to make them myself. Vegan, just a few simple ingredients, and they cost about 70 cents each, around €10 for the whole batch. And also they're super easy and you don't have to cook anything. We start by mixing the wet ingredients. We're gonna use peanut butter because it's cheaper and it's also like the most delicious for me, but you can use any other butter of your choice. Nut butter of your choice. Then you can add agave syrup, but also maple syrup works really great, but it's more expensive. Last one ingredients, you're gonna use the plant-based milk of your choice. I'm gonna use oat milk, but you can also use almond milk or soy milk, the one that you prefer. You're gonna add it step by step, stirring it. Now we're gonna add the dry ingredients. We're gonna add oat flour, and the way to make it even cheaper is to make it your own. So you just have to blend the oat flakes, these ones. You just have to blend the oat flakes in a blender for a few seconds. It doesn't have to be really fine, and it's ready. So we're gonna add the oat flour. And then you can add protein powders. I'm gonna leave you my favorite protein powders in the description below. I have two brands that I really like. This is cookie dough flavor, but also vanilla flavor works great. And finally, you can add salt and chocolate chips. If you wanna make it even cheaper, instead of adding chocolate chips, you can also use the dark chocolate bar and you can just chop it yourself. Now mix everything well until all the ingredients are well combined. Okay, this consistency is perfect. Sometimes you need to add a little bit more of plant-based milk. It depends on the consistency of your oat flour or also of your protein powders. And finally, we transfer the mixture in a container. You're gonna press it really well with your hands or with a tablespoon. I forgot this, it's even easier to use a parchment paper and to press it with your hands. Okay. If you want, you can also add more chocolate chips on top. We're gonna have huge and really thick protein bars. Love it. And then we're gonna let the mixture rest in the fridge for a few hours or also in the freezer to speed it up. Now we just have to slice them. We're gonna slice them into 14 pieces, so divide it in 2 and then in 7, but you can also divide it into even more pieces if you want. I'm not gonna do the taste test again because I think I already had one. They're delicious. Let me know if you're gonna try them out. They cost only 70 cents compared to the ones that you buy to the supermarket, and they are much even more tastier. So let me know if you're gonna make them, and thanks everybody for sharing your time with me today, and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.